Hi everyone, my name is Evelyn from Evebydesigns, and today I'm going to be showing you how to style your space for Christmas using cottagecore decorations. The holidays are close, and if you're eyeing a rustic aesthetic for your home, you've come to the right place. Of course, what is a celebration without a Christmas tree? Over here, I have a 7-foot frosty flocked Christmas tree from Treetopia. I'm so excited to unbox and decorate this tree with you. Let's get started. Assembly of your Christmas tree from Treetopia is a breeze because everything is numbered and you know exactly where to start and what to do next. Make sure you tighten that bolt and then fluff your tree, moving all the branches in different directions to make sure it's as fluffy as possible. When you're choosing a Treetopia Christmas tree, make sure to pick a tree that fits your aesthetic and a size that will fit in your space. I picked a full profile frosty flocked Christmas tree from Treetopia to fit the cottagecore aesthetic. Cottagecore theme and aesthetic has been trending since 2020. Besides romantic and dainty details, a key element of cottagecore is lots of greenery. Hence a Christmas tree in classic green or a frosted one like I'm using. Consider your space and budget when selecting your tree. Treetopia has great options starting at $150. Treetopia has different colors, shapes, and heights to choose from, and I'm pretty sure you'll find something that matches your style. If you want more expert advice and tips, or to see some of the different types of trees that Treetopia offers, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and check out some of the other videos. Time to decorate this tree. To make this tree topper, I simply used one frosty pick and one berry pick and put the two pieces together, and I arranged the berries so that they would come forward to the front. And then that was it. I didn't tie them together because they simply stick right into the top of the tree. I found this ice crystal garland and thought it would be the perfect whimsical touch to my tree. I added it, going in different directions, draping it around the tree. I added in some frosted berry picks that look so realistic. The snow is on top of these berries with little ice crystals. Then I added some more berries throughout the tree to fill in some more space. The florals that I use actually came in a bush, and I separated them one by one and placed them throughout my tree. My mom collected some pine cones for me to use from her yard, but if you don't have some, pick some up at the store. It makes a great decorative element for vases or bowls. I'm going to add my pine cones into my tree branches by simply placing them inside and setting them on the branch. I decided to use this cozy throw blanket. It's faux fur, and it worked perfectly underneath my tree as a tree skirting. I continued the cottagecore aesthetic onto my table with my centerpiece, matching the berries and the frosted picks with everything that's on my tree. I pulled out my grandmother's punch bowl set and set it on my bar cart close to my tree in my dining room. Some other elements that I use for the cottagecore aesthetic are candles and books and wreaths. Let's add some whimsical touches to this tree. To add in my garland that has mushrooms and wooden snowflakes, I start at the top and I go at an angle and move all the way down until that strand is completely covering the tree. I used a second strand for the bottom half of my tree. If you have a taller tree, consider how many you might need. But for my tree, I only needed 2. Now I'm adding in my ribbon. I decided to go with this burlap style ribbon to add texture to my tree. I cut it into long strips and then I twisted it into the branches, forming a loop and then twisting into another branch to form a second loop. I simply tuck the ends of the ribbon into the tree. I work in different sections of the tree to make sure I add burlap ribbon throughout. For more information about cottagecore aesthetic, you can check out the description below where there'll be links to the blog and other information on this theme. Let us know in the comments below what is your favorite memory about Christmas, or something that just makes you feel warm and fuzzy inside that you would like to share about Christmas or the holidays. Wishing you a very cozy and warm Christmas. Hope you enjoyed our video on cottagecore aesthetic. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can see all of the new videos.